Let's talk about, are you nervous when someone asks you for something that you are not prepared? Asked you, are you nervous? What did you say? There's an interview by an athlete, by one of the interviewer. And when the interviewer asked the athlete, are you nervous? The athlete says, no, I'm so excited. Sa normal na tao, when we ask something like this, lalo na kapag hindi natin alam yung mangyayari, we feel afraid. But the athletes says and look perspective differently. Ang sagot nila, no, I'm so excited. Why? Because it takes years and a lot of sources and effort for them to prepare for that event sa buhay nila. Yung grabe yung practice, grabe yung effort, yung pagod. That's why when someone asks them, are you nervous? Ang sagot nila, no, I'm so excited. So, why not we have that perspective sa buhay natin? At every moment when someone asks us that kind of situation. Kasi tayo, kaya natin nararamdaman na takot tayo because we are not prepared. So, let us seek for knowledge and about a specific thing. For you to become confident, start building yourself so that you can speak confidently, act confidently, prepare for something. Baka kung sakaling someone asks you something like this, now you can answer it confidently that you are excited. A little knowledge about a specific thing or learn new ideas so that we have that edge. When the time comes when someone asks you, are you nervous? Now is the right time for you to answer it, no, I'm so excited. Because now you have the edge. So, let us practice ourselves para hindi tayo sasagot na I'm nervous. Takes more time to learn, to develop your skill, and now is the time for you to become more confident, for you to become excited.